Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Stacy, and today's video is going to be my Yes Oh Yas unboxing for March 2018. Just in case you're new to my channel or you're new to Yes Oh Yes, it is a beauty subscription box like Ipsy and boxycharm and etc. It is $12.99 a month plus shipping here in the US, and you receive 3 to 7 full-size beauty products, which is amazing. Yes Oh Yes was kind enough to reach out to me and provide my subscribers and viewers and followers with a discount code. If you use the code ASK251, it will get you 10% off of your first box, which is awesome. And I want to add that this video is not being sponsored. I'm not being paid to produce this video. I do not get anything from Yes Oh Yes for the discount code. It's just for you guys, so that is totally awesome. So I already know what's inside of the box because they release spoilers on Instagram. So if you're not following them on Instagram, you should go follow them. It's Yes Oh Yas. And also, if you're not following me on Instagram, you should go follow me on Instagram as well at ASK Beauty and More. And I will have the discount code for Yes Oh Yes along with the link to where you can order your subscription box in the description bar down below. And I also have my social media handles linked in the description bar down below, so if you want to check those out, you are certainly welcome to. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right on into this video. Okay guys, so like I showed you in the intro, this is the Yes Oh Yes box, and it just comes in a standard box with their sticker on it. And then you open it up and you see lots of fun, colorful confetti along with some of the products peeking out. So the first thing I see in here is a hand and body lotion. This is from the brand Bella Pierre, and it is part of a kit, so I do believe that there's 2 or 3 more items in there that came like as part of this kit. And I checked on Yes Oh Yes's Instagram page, and it shows that this hand and nail care kit has a retail value of $75. $75, and you paid $12.99 for the box plus shipping. That is like, wow. So, okay, let me tell you about it. Like I said, it's Bella Pierre, and it is Precious Diamonds Hand and Body Lotion infused with natural botanical extracts and essential oil. And this is what it looks like. I know the glare is bad, sorry. Let's open it up, see what it smells like, try it out. It has that kind of clean, fresh, but not overpowering scent. Yeah. So let's put some on our hand and test it out. Okay. I've got just a little dot on my hand there, and I'm going to rub it in and see how it feels. Once you get it rubbed in, it feels nice and smooth. And I'm kind of digging the scent. Okay, so the next thing I see in here is another part of the hand and nail care kit by Bella Pierre. It is the Precious Diamonds Cuticle Treatment, and it says sweet almond oil. So this is what it looks like. So you just open it up, and it's got a little dropper. Okay, let's drop some on one of these cuticles. I can always use a treatment for my cuticles because my cuticles stay dry. Okay, now let's see if it smells like almonds. It doesn't really smell like anything to me. It feels nice, but of course with a treatment like this, you need time to test it out to see if it really is beneficial or not. So I will continue to test this product out, and keep you guys updated, probably on Instagram, so check there for updates. And the next thing I see in here is another part of the hand and nail care kit. And it is one of those buffer things. This is called the Magic Buffer, Precious Diamonds Magic Buffer. Okay, so it says this side is step 1. And it says to buffer for 15 seconds with that side. Then it says step 2, smooth for 15 seconds with this side here. And then step 3 says shine for 15 seconds, which is this smooth white side here. And then on the last side, you have a shaper for the tips of your nails. And it has a sticker on the end here where I am reading that. So cool. And then the last part of the nail care kit is the Bella Pierre Precious Diamonds, one of the large, thick emery boards, dual-sided. So that is a very nice nail care kit. Now the next thing I see in here is by the brand Beauty Cocoa. And this is like charcoal toothpaste that you use to whiten your teeth, supposedly. I have never used a charcoal toothpaste, so I'm interested to give this a go. And I hear that it can stain your toothbrushes, so I have to see about that. Yeah, I'll try this out and keep you guys informed on what I think of this. Oh, and here it comes with a bamboo toothbrush. Awesome. So now you don't have to worry about staining your daily toothbrush. Okay, so here is what the bamboo toothbrush looks like. So that's neat. Has very nice soft black bristles, so the black charcoal won't stain those bristles, so that is very nice. I don't remember exactly. I will check and I will put it on the screen here somewhere, or I will have it listed in the description bar down below. But I believe this Beauty Cocoa charcoal toothpaste and bamboo toothbrush had a listed retail price of $45. I want to say $45 or $46. I want to say that's what I saw on Yes Oh Yas's Instagram page. I will double check, and like I said, I'll put it on the screen somewhere or in the description bar down below. Okay, moving on. This is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics XLL eyeshadow palette, Go Natural. It's got plastic wrap, so let's remove that. Okay, there it is outside of the plastic wrap. Let's open it up. Okay, so you open it up here. It's got a brush in it, and it's got a little plastic thingy over it. And here is what the colors look like. Ooh, they are so pretty. I'm excited to play with these. It has a little mirror, so the mirror looks like that. Hello, you can see the windows that cause all of the glare in the video. So how about I do some swatcheroos of all of these shades for you guys, and then I'm going to put some of these on my eyelids. That is why I have no eyeshadow on, just eyeshadow primer. So let's jump right into the swatches. Okay, I'm back with swatches for you guys, and let me just tell you, these swatched so beautifully. They felt so buttery, all of them, the mattes and the shimmers. There are mostly shimmers, but there were a few mattes, and they all swatched so amazingly. There was only one shade that was kind of iffy. I'll show you in the swatches, but here we go. Here are the swatches. Of course, I always swatch awkwardly on my arm, but look how pretty those shimmery shades are. Ooh, look at the light reflecting off of those. Girl. Okay, so this one here was the only one that I had to dip into the pan twice, and like, I don't know, it looks shimmery in the pan, but it doesn't really come off very shimmery on my arm, more like satin. That was the only one that was a little iffy in the swatches. Okay, so here are the swatches next to the shades in the pan. So let's see, there is 1, 2, 3 matte shades, and then like I said, that chocolatey brown looks shimmery in the pan, but it's swatched more of like a satin matte. All of the rest are shimmery, very shimmery, and gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'm loving these. Of course, I haven't put them on my eyes yet, but from the swatches, I'm loving them. Yeah, matte shades. This one is matte, this one is matte, and this one is matte. This is the chocolatey brown color. That is questionable. It looks kind of shimmery in the pan, but I'm telling you, it did not swatch very shimmery on my arm. But this deep plum shade, oh my goodness, is that gorgeous. It's so pretty. It has such a gorgeous undertone. Okay, I know y'all are saying enough blabbering, Stacy. Get on into showing us how these apply to your eyeballs. I hear you. I hear you. I'm going. Okay, so like I said, I have no eyeshadow on my eyes. I do have a base. It is the Painterly Paint Pot by MAC. And so yeah, we're just going to jump right into these bad boys. I'm going to start with this shade here. And I'm just going to pick that up on a blendy brush and put that through my crease. Okay, so that applied nicely. It is just a nice soft matte transition shade, and it's almost the same color as the Painterly Paint Pot, so you can't really tell a whole lot of difference, but it's there and it applied nicely. So I'm going to go in with the deeper matte brown shade. I'm just going to place that on the outer corner and the outer V of my eye. Okay, so here is that shade blended out. Deepened it up a little bit. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm going to take a little of this shade that I said looks shimmery in the pan but didn't really translate into a shimmer during the finger swatch. I think I'm going to pick some of that up and just put it on the very outer V just to give a little more depth. Okay, so that color didn't really apply or blend out how I would have liked it to, and as well as the other shades that I have used, the 2 other matte shades, but it's okay. It's just a little harder to work with than the other ones. Now I think I'm going to go in with this pretty shimmery shade here and place that on the inner 2/3 of my lid. I do typically use my finger for shimmer shades like this because I just feel like I get the best payoff that way, other than using a dampened shader brush. That's the shade there on my finger. It looks very pretty. Now let's see if it looks as pretty on my lid. So that went on very pigmented and smooth and pretty, and I really like that color. I'm going to further blend it out, but I'm just getting up close to show you the color. Okay, now I think I'm going to take this lightest shimmery shade and pop that on the inner corner for a little inner corner highlight. There is a light matte cream shade, but I was just feeling the shimmer, so let's pop that right in here. Oh yeah, now our tear ducts are shimmery. Okay, so all in all, I really like this palette, guys. Just that one shade was throwing me off. If you don't like a lot of shimmers in your palettes, then this might not be the palette for you. But if you like shimmer eyeshadows, these shimmers are right on. They're really good. Also, if I remember correctly, this palette retails for $48 or $49. Again, I will put that on the screen somewhere or have it linked in the description bar down below. But I do remember that the total box value for this month was $170. $170 worth of products, guys. And you paid $12.99 for it, plus shipping. I'm going to go pop some mascara and lipstick on, and I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm feeling a little more put together now that I have my mascara and lipstick on. So let's talk about this Yes Oh Yas box. And I really loved everything that came in the box this month. I am excited to give this charcoal whitening toothpaste a try. And the hand and nail care kit. Yes, love good hand and nail care products. And the eyeshadow palette I am really into. So yeah, all in all, I give this month's Yes Oh Yes box 2 thumbs up. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please be sure and give it a thumbs up. That really helps support my channel, and I do really appreciate it. And go ahead and click subscribe down below if you have not already. I would really love to have you all as part of my little YouTube family here. So that's going to be it for this one. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.